All right, wanted to do a little video today on a plugin that is an AI plugin, and you can tell ChatGPT or Claude what you want for a plugin, like just to see if it would work. I told it I wanted a plugin similar to RC20. I just wanted to see if it could work, if it would actually do what it says it's supposed to do. So anyway, the plugin is called Amorph, and this is the preset page or tab. And then you have this space, which is where you put the code in, and I'll run through it and show you exactly how it works. So I already have my code drawn up. I used Claude. It printed me out something. So I wanted to do something different. I've already tried this and it insisted on doing it again. I don't know. I think it is developing a little bit of an ego and it needs to show me what it can do. We're about to find out. So it can control like a little wobble, like a tape effect in the EQ. Big deal, right? And I also told it I wanted a little vinyl crackle effect. So I added that, but I was not happy with the crackle effect that it provided me before because it sounded like clicking. Like it took a digital audio signal and just went click, 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 click. Like, what am I going to do with that? Sounds terrible. So it was like, all right, let me have another shot. I was like, all right, whatever, do it. So it did it. This is what it does right now. That's the crackle. That's no good. And the speed and sound of the modulation of the frequency, you can't even hear it. It does nothing. So we're going to try a different thing here. I already copied my code, so now all I have to do is paste it. There it is. Compile. Down here, if it's in green, it says DSP rebuild triggered. So it was successful. If it's not successful, it will pop up red, and then you can copy the log and then feed that back to Cloud, and Cloud will figure out what that failure code is and correct it and then rewrite the code and give it back to you. So it's pretty easy to do. You literally don't have to do anything except tell it exactly what you want. The only thing is, it kind of seems like you need to be very, very specific about what you want it to do, because it will just give you the bare minimum of what you want. Once you have your code in there, you want to hit the UI button, and a lot of times this button is not on. You want to push that button, and then it will make your preset out here, give you your buttons. And if it doesn't, you can also push apply UI. That just basically makes this make the buttons that you need for your code. Go to the UI, remakes it, flutter rate, age mix parameter. Okay, we got a new parameter. That is doing nothing. I'm curious to hear it on a different type of sound. Let's see, I got some synth sounds. That's not bad. That drive actually adds just a little bit of harmonic distortion, which is kind of nice. And then it's got the movement. This isn't bad. I mean, it just adds two things right straight to it. The flutter, the wow, the movement. I like it, but I'm not sure it's actually doing any more than it was. So. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. Even more code now. All right, paste. Okay, compile, built it correctly. Got a lot now. Ooh, that adds some crazy. It changes the sound just enough to like be a little bit cooler, you know? So we'll call this MK Live 3. I want the bit crushing, the digital to follow the note, like put it in tune. See how it doesn't change? So I was just saying it would be cool if that could follow the note. Like Claude's a madman, he wants to make it. He's mulling it over. All right, we're doing it. We are doing it. Because we're nuts. New project. We delete that. Paste this. All right, UI. Why? Oh, I didn't compile. Oh, we got problems. So when you run into a problem like that, it tells you what the problem is, whatever the hell this means. Then you just hit copy error. Then you bring it right over here and paste it right into here. And all of a sudden, Claude just knows what's happening. He also tells you what is going on, what the problem actually is in English terms instead of coding terms. I don't know about that one. Wow. Copy. I don't know if that was the right one. New project. Clear. Paste. Let's get rid of that shit. Compile. UI. On. Apply. Oh my god, it does work. It makes a bit crusher pitch tracking. No. Well, I'm out of free messages. So I guess that's that. We'll save this one. Live 4, I guess. Yeah. All right. So if we put a low pass. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Ain't gonna lie. So that's how you use Amorph or Amorph. You do exactly what I showed you, and you can't go wrong. Pretty cool. Is what it is. It's basically a plugin that you can create your own plugin. It's very basic. I mean, you see that, just some knobs, but so is everything else. The only difference between this and that is you get little pictures, like a picture book and a novel. That's the difference. I almost forgot to mention the Amorph plugin is you just go into your Google, type in Amorph plugin. It'll come right up, and when you click on that, it'll bring you into the Gumroad page, and it costs $0. Don't forget, somebody worked on this and made this, so probably be fair to give them something. They explain what it does, and it's pretty cool. It can also make a synth, but I haven't tried that. The only thing, it was pretty fun. Anyway, let me know what you think. Tag me, hit me up, message me, comment, show me what you make. If you figure something else out that's pretty cool, how to make something that's really neat, let me know. Till next time, thanks for watching.